This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Right, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. You see that acceleration-wise, it's overperforming. So it's supposed to be 4.1 seconds, but it did it in 3.8 seconds, 0.3 seconds faster than spec. But I think that was also the case for the EL7. Look here. Why was the EL7 faster? Well, it was not so heavy. So the EL8 is heaviest of them all, but still plenty of horsepower. So I mean, this is incredible. Just look here, look here. It's faster than i5 M60, also faster than Porsche Taycan 4S. It goes like a rocket. Look at this, faster than i4 M50. So think about this. This is a big SUV with 6 seats, but look at the noise test. Wow. It was so quiet. It is the quietest car ever tested. Well, let me see. This is summer tire. What about winter tires? 63.25 decibel. Okay, winter tires are in general quieter. Okay, yeah, okay. So winter tires, they are quieter. So in that regard, yeah, the ET7 was quietest. But at least when it comes to summer tires, this is just top-notch, beating Hongxi, beating EQC, beating Q6 e-tron. Where's EQE is down here. You know, all the other German cars, they're down here. But what about braking then? It must be something bad with this car, right? Well, actually, braking performance is also very good. Despite that we have some kind of eco tires, I'm not sure, eco contact. So again, performing really well. On top, okay, what cars do we have down here? Yeah, see? So there you have it, the EL8. It's fast, it's quiet, and it is actually quite safe also. So really good value for money. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.